Hi, I'm Patrick here, and we are starting with the MBA CET Crash Course. The focus of the Crash Course is basically to cover the syllabus in brief and then train you for the exam with shortcut workshops, etc. So it will help you as far as the exam is concerned. So we'll also give you practice sessions. So it's conducted in March. Expected date is around 17 March this year. Uh, so all the MBA colleges in Maharashtra which are affiliated to university normally take up MBA CET as the entrance exam. So if you want admission to JBIMS, Sydenham, Pumba, these are all government colleges. We need to write CET, MBA CET. Apart from many other colleges which are there which normally accept MBA CET in Maharashtra. So right, MBA CET becomes an important exam. But apart from these, other colleges like Dalmia, etc., which are not under the CET, do accept CET scores for admissions. So you can take up CET for that as well. So the pattern is that 200 questions, 1 mark each. There is no negative mark. 150 minutes paper, so it's a speed-based test. In 150 minutes, you have to solve 200 questions. Set 45 seconds per question, so you need to be really fast at it. Questions are easy, but yes, you need to be fast. The broad breakup is that you have quant and DI. Max part is 50, reasoning is 75, verbal is 50, abstract is 25. There is no, sectional cutoff, and you can move between sections. There's no, like in CAT, you have time limit per section. Here, there's no time limit per section. You can move between sections, and there's no sectional cutoffs. So, our preparation, 2 stages. First stage is for 30 hours. We'll try to complete the syllabus in brief, apart from teaching you a few tricks and turns of things how to solve fast. And second is 12 hours of workshop focus on shortcuts to help you and strategy for the exam. Apart from that, we'll have additional practice sessions to help you practice whatever we teach. So we will have those practice sessions. You will get a recording of all whatever we teach you, so you can go to it again. And the course is conducted by me, Patrick100. So I've been ranked 1 in CET twice, so fairly comfortable with the exam. So should be able to teach you the tricks and turns required to crack the exam. You also have an option where you can take 400 plus videos if you want to cover the syllabus, or 30 mocks, CET mocks, which is optional as a course. Right. So results, we have more than 150 students who graduated from Bajaj. A lot of our students have scored 99.99 percentile as such. If you want to pay, you can take the course at prep.patrick100.com. 3,500 for a crash course without videos, 6,900 with mocks if you want. Okay. So look at the course details on the website. You can contact us, WhatsApp us at 9821284788, or email us at support@coinacademy.com. Right? We'll come up with more videos that will help you. We'll come up with Road to JB that will help you practice questions for examinations. My recommendations, if you're really looking at CET seriously, do subscribe to our channel. That will help you in terms of preparing for the examination for CET. We'll come up with a lot of questions that will definitely help you for the exam. Thank you.